Hey guys, I'm Razazi, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the TWC02 corded car vacuum cleaner.
So I gotta play smart. I've been getting dope cheese every time my phone ring.
It's on Amazon. I think it was like $27 or $28. I got it on sale too, so hopefully this works really well. I really need a new, what do you call it? Just gonna go ahead and unwrap it right here with my left hand. So bear with me on this. Probably gonna be like one of the fastest review videos I do. I'm recording my car right now. Okay, so just clear plastic off. Let's go ahead into the back. So this is everything that comes with it. It comes with a storage bag to keep the vacuum and all the attachments in one place. The car vacuum cleaner with a double filter and 16 power cord, brush nozzle to remove deep dirt from fabric. For the cleaner brush, long tube nozzle to reach dirt and slits, flexible hose nozzle, which is going to be great for getting those hard to reach places under the car. And the purchase covered with a 365 days warranty for free replacement of any part of the set. Vacuum filter, storage bag, nozzles, and it says return list for fund or replacement of the full set without any question asked, full technical support. You bought from an authorized seller on Amazon Marketplace. All the list is right there on the website. For retail and other online marketplace purchases, please contact the seller. All right, so we got that open. Let's go ahead and see it. Like right after I'm done opening this, I'm literally about to go to the car wash. So I'm gonna clean the outside of my car, and then I'm gonna use this to clean the inside. So I'll make sure I get a good shot of that. So here's the nozzle for cleaning under hard to reach places. And here's the vacuum itself. It's a pretty decent sized vacuum. Let me go ahead and give you guys like a reference. So my car's infotainment screen is 10.2 inches. So that means this is like over a foot long. So yeah. So that's the vacuum itself. The other nozzle or attachment piece. Then you have the brush attachment piece. Then you have it comes with a little thing to put this in the car, a little, what do you call it, a car freshener. Pretty cool. Then a small little brush, the user manual, and then the bag to put all this stuff in. This works with an X for car. So you open it up, expand it, and it's got the zipper right here, so you can put the vacuum cleaner and all its parts in there. So that's pretty cool. Definitely gonna be using that. So next part of the video, I'm gonna show you guys how to use this vacuum. Literally, we're gonna plug it into the cigarette lighter, and then we're gonna just start it up. All right, so I've connected the car vacuum to the cigarette lighter. So now we go ahead and start. This is the power switch. I have the light on it too, so you can see. Let's go ahead and see how well this works. This is all you can see all the dirt in here. And watch this. See how well this works. Okay. This is decent. Getting all the hard to reach areas. Alright, let's do this. Oh yeah, this is good. I like this. I want to be able to reach all the hard to reach places, for sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the mat out. And then I'm going to go ahead and vacuum right here. Get all the big pieces. Yeah, this is definitely better than the old one that I bought from Walmart. I guess because it's powered by the car. Because the other one I had was like a wireless. It was you would charge it and then you could use it in the car, but it wasn't that powerful. It can only suck in a few like small pieces of steering. But this one is taking up all the big pieces too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give my car a full clean. Get all the stuff right here. Oh, this is good. So I just gotta go ahead and buy more filters. Yeah, let me go ahead and power this up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get more filters for the vacuum, so that way I can use this like for more years on end. But yeah, this is a good one right here. This works. which is great. And as you can see, I'm gonna take out the car. You can see all the dirt going inside the filter right here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and post this video soon so you guys can get an accurate view. I think this is great actually. And it's got that scrubbing feature with the brush. So if I have any stains, I can also clean the carpet with like a little spray. This is perfect. All right guys, let me know how you guys felt about this review. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link in the description to the vacuum cleaner. And I'm gonna put in the pinned comments as well, so I'm out. Peace.
Keyword couple, definitely. Dicen que en este cubanito está escapado. Cuba el capo me quedo humillado. Y si no sabía hubiera preguntado. Preparando un nuevo ritmo lo pongo en salsa. Sé que soy un joven pero bien rankeado. Antes de nacer estaba preparado. Start with a little faith and then you go and sprout. You're sleeping on your dreams cause you get left out. Everything's attainable, I'll tell you right now. Don't pay attention to a hater, let the love go out. They already down, they gon' try and hand out. I'd rather motivate so y'all can scream and shout. First things first. Staring at the pot, I made a brand new sound. Put it on the plate and then I serve it out. Y'all was getting plain, I had to bring some style. Cause people get tired of the same thing. I recycle my flows and I reclaim, but I switch them and flip them like S-games. That's the difference between you and me, man. Versatility originally made. I make my own juice just like lemonade. Make a sucker's face fuck when they get a taste. Always feed out the envy they generate. I got values that's on me they wanna take. I got more but they stored up and put away. Tryna heal is you can't even find a say. No, creep on who? Good luck on you. I ain't gon' hesitate. What would you do? They tryna take you when you had the right spread. Call my godfather to put a hit on you, he'll drop the crane. Call up the morgue to fit in your body, pick out a grave. Dicen que en este cubanito está escapado.